Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss our chapter 3 more on Microsoft Word.
Format as a drop cap. From the Insert menu, click Drop Cap under Text Group section. The first dropped option will drop the first letter up to 3 lines, as the default setting of drop cap is 3 lines. Second option of drop cap is in margin. Choosing this option will drop the first character out of the paragraph and inside the page margins. You can remove the drop cap anytime by choosing none from the drop cap menu.
Topic is column formatting. How to change my document into different columns. This is my document, column 1, 2, 3, 1, right? I am just copying my text to increase the text for better viewing. Like now, column 2. My document is split into 2 columns. Column 3. So the document gets split into 3 columns. Now 1, it again comes back to original data or document. Next topic is watermark. Watermark means to provide the wording at the back of my document. Confidential. Look, this is the watermark. Watermark means this is used in official documentation. These are the different formats that I can use to in my document. Custom watermark, I can change the text, right? Dune Public School. Apply, close. Look. So by watermark, I can show the text why I am using this document for with the help of watermark. Orientation means the layout position of the paper for printing. There are 2 ways to set the orientation of a page, that is landscape and portrait. We can set the page orientation by clicking on the orientation from page set group and choose the type of orientation as portrait or landscape. Next topic is spacing. Spacing between the lines or paragraph. To provide the spacing between lines and paragraph, select the line. In this, we can set the amount of space we want between the line or between the paragraph. So this is the spacing we can set between the lines and paragraph.
Merge. Actually, mail merge is an option in which you can write a letter once, but you can send the particular letter to many people. First of all, you can write a mail and you can merge the address with that mail and you can send to many people. There are 3 main steps in the process of mail merge. Okay. What are the 3 main steps? First of all, you have to create the main document with merge field. You have to create the main document. Okay. Then you have to create the data source. Data source means address. And then merging the data source with main document. After that, now I will show you step by step. First of all, you have to, you can see this. Click on mailing tab. Which mail merge? Which option you will click? Start mail merge. And then you will click on step by step mail merge wizard. Okay, remember the step. Mailing tab, start mail merge, and then step by step mail merge wizard. After that, when you will click, this type of window will open. Okay, so you will click on letter option. Which option you will click? Letter. Okay, when you will select the letter option, after that you will click on starting document. Okay, when you will click on starting document, this 3 options will come. You will click on the first option, use the current document. Okay, After clicking the current document, you will click on select recipient. Recipient means address. Address list you have to start making from this option only. When you will click on select recipient, another dialog box or you can say navigation pane will come and you have to select the third option, type a new list. Okay, type a new list. As you will click on type a new list, one option will come, create. You will click on create option. Okay, when you will click on create option beta, then this type of, you can see this address list box will come. I think it is clear to everyone. Address, new address list box. Here you can see this type of options are coming. Okay, these are the rows coming. Here you can add the address as many you want, 50, 100. Now you can start writing from here. You can select the particular field in which you want to enter and then write down. Okay, if you want to enter the new data, you have to click on new entry. Don't click on OK. OK you will click when you will going to save the document. For every new entry you have to click on new entry. When you will click on new entry, your cursor will appear on the next line, then next line, then next line, like this. Like you want to add 10 address. So you have added here. Now you want to complete your address list. So you will click on OK. What will happen? This type of save address list box will come. Okay, here you will write the name, file name. Now you will click on save option. Okay, once again I want to show you this, that first of all you will write the address here, as many address you want. By new entry, clicking on new entry you can add and then click on OK. As soon as you will click on OK, this box will appear. This is just to save your file. So you will write your file name and then click on save option. After that what will be the next step? You will click on write your letter. Okay, now you have to write the main document, write your letter. Right. Like just for example, like I am celebrating my 12th birthday on Saturday 6th May. My party will be not completed without you. Do come. Like this, a small letter you can write. Okay. Then you will click on address block. After completing your letter, this is your main option, address block. When you will click on address block, then again your letter will appear and it will ask you where to write. Select karni hai where you want to display the address. If you want to display at the top, then you can bring your cursor here. If you want to display at the bottom, you can bring your cursor here. Like I want to display at top, so I have bring my cursor here and I have click on address block, so the address block will appear here. After that you can see, when I will click on preview your letter, then you can see in the place of address block what is coming? Address is coming. It means your main document is merged with the address. Clear to everyone? Address block was there, now address is coming. If you are writing 10 address, so how to display all other address? You can see this. From this backward, you can see this forward and backward options are there. Like you have written 10, so 10 recipient will come here. You can go back also, you can come previous also. You can click here and one by one your address will display on the main document. And after that you will click on complete the merge. So this is your main mail merge. Main steps are there. Okay student, please try to do it if you are having the system with you. Otherwise go through the chapter, you will surely understand.
Sometime it happens document, you will realize that you have done these steps before in the same way, so that you can record it. आपका option होता है word में, that is recording a macro, means we learn how we can record a macro. Fine. So we'll go to view tab and over here you will see we have option of view macros. The next option we have is record macro. So I'll click here and then I will have to name it letter. Button चाहिए. If you add a button, you can add it to your quick access toolbar. Otherwise, you can also use a keyboard shortcut button. Now this dialog box will appear. Select it and click on add. Decide its position अगर आपको ये starting में चाहिए, or if you want it in the middle or at the end, so you can decide that. Now I'll press OK and you will see
Now the recording from the macro will be started. The text which I am typing or the which I am
press
formatting,
full stop
each
and
and
click on
everything is
and then
recorded by the macro, which I can use later by running the macro again.
like that. And once you are done, you can go to view tab. And now if I click on macro, stop recording. So I can click on this.
Have a great day ahead.